If you guys want to see all our new classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We get new cars in every day. Let's go. What is up, guys? I got a 1970 Chevy Camaro Split Bumper up for sale today. We're going to do a complete walkthrough of this vehicle. If you like classic cars and you want to see our new content and our new vehicles every day, please hit the subscribe button right now. This way you get a notification on your phone showing our new cars and you can get a chance to buy them. We're going to do a complete walkthrough of this baby. We're going to show you the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, we will show it to you so you know what you get before you get it. This way, if it shows up to your doorstep, it's exactly as described. We ship all over the US, and we can get to any port if you want to ship it worldwide. Let's get started. So I bought this off one of my clients. I bought a package deal. He was an elderly guy, collector. He was selling his house in Jersey, getting out of the Northeast, and he was headed down to Florida. So I bought this and two other vehicles from him. This is one of them that was in the collection. This is overall a solid driver quality vehicle. There are some visible flaws which we will go over. The paint shines good from a few feet away. It looks good when you get up on it. It's got a nice clear coat. The interior is in good shape. Tires are decent. It's got Kragers on it. It runs and drives well. It's got some power. We'll start off with the front clip. As you notice, we got some flaws right here. Some chips on the front. The bumper's in decent condition, a little pitting, nothing crazy. If you want to restore it, you would replace it. A little chip there. Up on the hood, the hood's got a little imperfections there. There's one over here. Go to this fender, we got some cracking in the paint right here. Pitting in the wheels. Tires got good life on them. You can stick your fingers in them. Fender's got a nick there. Go down here. This is the worst part of the vehicle. You got some rust forming here on the bottom of the door. And you also have it here, very small. Now, to highlight this vehicle, I'm going to show you the undercarriage. The undercarriage is in great condition. There's no visible rust or anything on it. It was garage kept. Little imperfection there. Couple little imperfections in the paint. It's definitely been repainted before. Got some spider cracking back here on this. Little paint imperfections here. The bumper, again, looks like it's a little bit older. This side's good. There's no rust or anything here. A couple chips here. Underneath here, a little bit of bubbling. So this side's better. Roof's in good shape. You got a little imperfection there. A little bit of bubbling here. This fender, a little cracking, little chip there. So like I said, overall it's got flaws for sure, but it's a good looker. See, from right here, even if you get up on it, it looks good. It's not perfect by any means. That's why we're going to price this one out at a perfect price. It's going to be a driver quality vehicle. It's going to be a fantastic price on it. We'll look underneath on the undercarriage. And as you can see, the undercarriage is solid. Frame rail's good, the floors are good. Look at this. I believe the car was originally blue, from what I can tell. Frame rail is great. This would be a perfect candidate if you want to turn this into a nice car, because the undercarriage is so nice, because it was garage kept. Interior is in really good condition. This door panel's in good shape. A couple little flaws here. Carpet, got a little bit of fading there. This side's good. Dash is in good condition. Seats are in great shape. Headliner's in good shape. Yeah, it's solid on the inside for sure. See how the door closes? This door closes way better than the driver's door. The driver's door you gotta close a little bit harder. As you can see, the gap's off a little bit down there. Before we start it up, let's take a look at the trunk. Trunk is solid. Look at that. Quarters are in good shape. Looks like it's originally an AC car. The AC is not functional now. Horn works. You don't slam it, it doesn't want to shut all the way. Check under the hood. Alright guys, got the hood propped up. How to use this to keep it up. But it runs really good. Got power steering. Like I said, originally an AC car. It runs very, very well. Now, I need all my Chevy guys, all my experienced guys that's been around these cars all their life to leave me a comment. What engine does this look like to you? Is this a 350 or a 305? From what I can tell, it looks like a 305 to me. I haven't been in the business. I've only been in the business for 15 years. I know a lot of guys have a lot more experience than me. I'm gonna pull the numbers off the block today and find out exactly what it is. But leave a comment, please. What do you think it is? From what I can tell, it looks like a 305. We're gonna get on this one a little bit. It's feisty. that being said, this thing is up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Ready for a new home. We're pricing this one aggressively. I often get questions, why don't you put your prices in videos? And the reason why, if we don't sell them, we lower the price. We don't sit on vehicles long, we sell everything. So today's price is not tomorrow's price. Let's make a deal happen. $42,655 miles. Looks like the gas gauge works. Ready for a new home, guys. Appreciate you checking out our video. Thank you. Have a great day. And God bless the USA. Let's go.